In this video, we're going to showcase a real estate agent who's doing an amazing job with his Facebook page, getting thousands and thousands of people who follow him, thousands of views on this video. He's doing a phenomenal job. We're going to showcase that coming up. Hello there again, it's Carlos with Zepeda Media, bringing you the best digital media tips, tricks, and walkthroughs. And on this channel, we do a lot of videos that do with digital media and also what to do and how to generate leads and sales through video marketing. So that if that's something that you're interested in, hey, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's dive right in and showcase this amazing Facebook page. So one of the biggest mistakes I see businesses do, especially real estate agents do on their Facebook page, and make it all about them. And what they push out is content that they want to push out, sort of force feeding you that content. Just listed, just sold, just listed this other one, open house, open house, open house, new property video, you know? And so it's a big fail because people don't really want to see that. Like, they understand they might, like it or support it, might be family members or past clients, but to be able to get new people to actually like you and follow you, you gotta do it differently. You have to provide that value, okay? And that's what people want to see. And so one of the best ways of doing that is showcase the area where you work. What are the great benefits about it? Is there a lake? Is there an ocean? Is there dining, the schools, the parks? Showcase all those different areas and showcase all the local businesses. Not only will you get local people to start following you because, hey, they want to see not only the area, the local spots where they go and already visit or eat, but maybe also give, another reason for them to look out and say, oh, that's a new place that I haven't gone to before. Okay, showcase the area, highlight it, and that way people can find you. And it's a way to do it by showcasing it without pushing your content. People want to see that. And not only do they want to see the businesses, they want to see their area. And so one of the businesses that I've seen and done amazing way of doing that is along the road to Temecula Valley. They showcase Temecula, but they don't say, hey, real estate agent, here's another listing. Maybe they might put it every now and then, but they make it about the area. They make it about the businesses. They make it about the people. So let's just look a little bit about their page. Yeah, they're showing some of the camera gear, the food, the places they go. And so another thing is here. Here's another video. Let's just click on it. He went out to eat in one of the local hotspots. And look at this. Tag the local place. Here's another tag of the local place and the area. And so people who dine there, it's another way of finding them. If they really like the business's page, the local hotspots page, and now you're showcasing them, now people are getting to know you, versus you pushing out just listed or just sold. Okay, let's go ahead and watch one of the videos that they posted, again highlighting a local area.
Hey, if you're the kind of person that likes delicious and savory comfort food, you're gonna love this restaurant. And this establishment has something pretty special behind a secret door. Let's go check it out.
I've been selling real estate here for over 20 years, and while I'm out and about, I take pride in showcasing the coolest things about where we live. I'm Brian Auer, and this is Along the Road to Temecula Valley. Devilicious started off in food trucks and eventually landed as one of the...
I mean, that's perfect. You're highlighting the area. Yes, you put in there real quick that you're, oh yeah, you work selling real estate in the area, but you're highlighting the area. You're making it about the area and the place. You can do the same thing with your smartphone. You don't need fancy cameras or lighting or 2 or 3 people. You can just go out there, talk to the people with your phone. A quick little stand, just hold the phone, talk to the business owner, talk to the people eating there, showcase the area, highlight it, and then put it out there. Tag the people, tag the area, the location, the business, and anybody else who might have seen it, and let them know, here's the video. This is all about the community. Yes, they put a little bit about them just initially, but it's all about the community in the area. So this is just a great example of what you should be doing on your page. If you're up there and putting your name, realtor, and just listed, just sold, it's not gonna get that many views. Let's look at they have reviews on here. 53 people reviewed at 5 stars. I mean, just look at this. 9,000 people have liked this. 9,000. Facebook business page you have that's for a real estate agent that has this. It's not that many unless they're the more known people, but Doesn't matter where you are, you can generate this. This could be you. You can definitely do this. It's sponsored by them. That's his picture. It probably has his contact information right here for where you can get him, see? And this probably takes you to his website. But look at here. Coldwell Banker, call a text, team, buy, sell. But it all came from here. And let's look at the views. 2,600 views on this one. There's one with a link. Obviously they get less views, less shares, but when you're writing video, he does a lot of video. I mean, it looks like they do a lot of video on here. But here's another one, Along the Road to Temecula. Here's another one. I mean, just look at that, views, shares, comments. You know, let's just go straight into their videos and see all the videos that they're doing. I mean, it's just incredible. Look, a couple days ago, 2,600, 4,400 views, 1,000, 30,000 views. Community spotlight. They're spotlighting a community. 30,000 views right there. These get views, and like I said, people keep coming back. You become the local area expert, but not just because you're pushing real estate, because you actually know the area and you care about the area and you care about the people. So this, I just wanted to highlight this. This is just an amazing page. This is how definitely you should be doing it. If you don't have something like that, or you have currently a business one for your real estate, just make something different or tweak it. Have it be about the area, highlight the area, and just sneak in there every once in a while your listing, or just say, hey, open houses this weekend, you know, like this one, and showcase your listing. So I just wanted to hop on here and then make this video about Facebook marketing and how to do an actual great Facebook page for your business. So great job, Brian from Along the Road to Temecula. Great job that you're doing here. What a great page, and I hope you found all that information valuable. And what I want to know from you is, put down in the comments below, what are you currently doing that's being very successful on your Facebook page? Are you doing something similar than what Brian is doing? Or are you doing something else? Let us know in the comment section below so the community can start engaging and commenting and learning from everybody else. Continue your digital media education. Click on one of these videos here and keep it going, okay? Facebook, YouTube marketing. Carlos, see you in the next one.